I eat in a day. And a lot of you may not know, but I've been vegan for over a year now. It's been a year and wow, I've been vegan for a year and a half now. So I really wanted to film this video and I want to film others like it. So if you guys enjoy it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below because it'll let me know that you guys want to see more like it. And I just want to say any diet is fine. I'm just vegan for personal reasons and for things that I have researched, and it's just something I believe in. So if you're new here, welcome. I post new videos twice a week and I do everything from beauty, fashion, health, lifestyle, fitness, and veganism now. So if any of that sounds interesting to you, go ahead and subscribe down below and let's just get on with the video. Okay, so first I start my mornings off with oatmeal, and I literally have oatmeal every morning. I do different combinations here and there, but the combination in this video is my all-time favorite right now. So I do a half cup of oatmeal, tablespoon of chia seeds, and then I add dried sweetened cranberries. And then I also love adding coconut flakes to my oatmeal. It just adds that extra healthy fat. And then next I just sprinkle some cinnamon on top. Cinnamon actually has a lot of health benefits. You should look it up because it is good for you and it also is tasty. And then I cook it in a half cup of almond milk. Guys, this is a game changer because using milk makes it so much more creamy than using just water. It will literally change the game for you in oatmeal. Next, I add a tiny bit of molasses because this is a way to get iron, and then it also adds a little bit of extra sweetness, but don't add too much because it'll just taste wrong. And then finally, I'll add about a tablespoon of peanut butter. So for my toppings, I go ahead and put fresh raspberries and strawberries, and I also top it off with frozen blueberries because I don't know about you guys, but I don't like fresh blueberries. I don't know what it is, but frozen just tastes so much better to me. And my oatmeal is always so hot when it comes off the stove, so I feel like it helps cool it down and it just tastes so good. And then the juices from being frozen just kind of mix in with the oatmeal and it's just so good. This oatmeal is literally to die for, guys. And then even though I cooked it in almond milk, I always add an extra splash of almond milk because it just makes it more creamy. And bon appetit! That is my oatmeal. And then next, I love to have coffee in the morning. I have to have coffee every morning. I'm addicted. Sadly, I know it's true and it sucks. I wish I wasn't, but I love coffee in the mornings and it's always just a great little treat. I literally, when I wake up in the morning, it helps get me out of bed knowing I'm about to have a fresh cup of coffee. And then guys, this is my favorite creamer ever. It's Coffee Mate's Natural Bliss Almond Milk Creamer in the flavor caramel. It makes your coffee so good. And I feel like this is a question vegans get a lot. It's what supplements are you taking? So I just want to point out that I got my blood work done for the first time since going vegan and everything came back perfect. The only thing I was low on is iron because my iron levels have always been a little bit on the lower end. So my doctor recommended taking a multivitamin that has iron in it because not all multivitamins have iron in it. But yeah, so right now these are the vitamins I take every morning. I take a B12 spray supplement as well as 2 multivitamin gummies, and these gummies don't have iron in them, so I supplement with an iron pill every day. And then I take 2 fish oil pills. These are a perfect alternative for fish oil and they're actually better for you, so I'll link them down below. But definitely if you're vegan or not vegan, you should incorporate these into your diet because they have so many health benefits and they'll help in the long run. And then lastly, I take a magnesium pill because I suffer with migraines and magnesium is actually known to help people with migraines. So if you have migraines, take magnesium. It also helps reduce stress, and stress affects me a lot and I'm trying to work on that, but yeah. So I recently got this beauty dust by the brand Moon Juice, and guys, this stuff doesn't taste that great, but it literally wakes me up in the morning. It makes me feel so good. I recommend anything from that brand. After I take a teaspoon of this in the morning, I feel alive and awake and ready to take on the day. So I would definitely look into them. They have a lot of different types of, I want to say elixirs, but yeah, a bunch of different kinds. I'll have them linked below. They're really cool. Okay, so I work out every morning, so I like to have a pre-workout smoothie. So I just make it very light. I do some frozen mixed fruit, so it just has peaches, pineapple, mango, and strawberries. And then I like to do a whole banana and then a handful of spinach because you literally can't even taste the spinach in the smoothie. And then my favorite go-to protein powder has been this Vega vanilla flavor. It's the protein and greens, and it makes your smoothie taste almost like a cookie. It is so good. So yeah, I like to have this smoothie before my workouts in the morning, but on days where I just go straight to the gym and don't even have anything before, I will have this smoothie after. And then for a snack a couple hours after breakfast, I always go for this green smoothie. Guys, I got this recipe from Whole Foods. Their green goodness, I feel like is what it's called, smoothie recipe, and it's really simple and really easy and tastes amazing. It literally tastes exactly like Whole Foods smoothies. for like half the price. And every time I drink this, I just feel so healthy on another level. Okay, and then for lunch, I made my version of a Buddha bowl. And this was honestly so good. I just used lime as a dressing, but honestly, I wish I made some type of special dressing to put over on top of this because I feel like that would have just made it so much better. Okay, and then for dinner, I had leftover Chipotle bowls. I made homemade Chipotle bowls the other night and they were so good. I would say almost better than Chipotle. And then today I worked late, so I was hungry around 9 o'clock. So I had some dessert. Usually I don't have dessert, but when I'm craving dessert, I like to have fruit. So today I made an acai bowl and I used this Super Greens organic kind. I like the regular acai much more, but I wanted to try this one out. But it's definitely not the best, but it adds a lot of health benefits. So I mean, you'll win some and you lose some. So I just add the acai packet with frozen strawberries and then half a banana into the blender, and then I'll do about a half cup of almond milk and I blend that up. And then for toppings, I like to do granola, coconut flakes, the other half of the banana, and fresh strawberries with agave on top. So yeah, if you're ever craving something sweet at night, I suggest making an acai bowl because it is a life changer. It is so good. If you guys haven't had an acai bowl, what are you doing with your lives? Okay, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Remember to like it if you enjoy these types of videos. I really like seeing what other people eat that eat similar to me because it gives me new ideas, because I get really tired of making the same thing all the time other than oatmeal in the morning. Yeah, so if you want to stick around and hang out longer, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. I post all types of videos like fashion, beauty, lifestyle, health, fitness, self-help, and now vegan type videos. So if you're interested in any of that, please subscribe and leave a comment below letting me know what you eat and if you're vegan or if you've ever considered going vegan and why, because it's really cool to hear everyone's different perspective on veganism. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed and I hope you have an amazing rest of your day or night, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys!